friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. How to customize the lock screen in smartphone. Let's start the video without any delay. Go to Setting. Scroll down to Personalization. Lock screen. To add text on lock screen, type here anything. Then click on Shortcuts. To change quick access, select from Apps. From left and right corner, I selected CapCut and Canva. Here is the customized lock screen. Your name, selected apps. Inform us whether this video is useful for you or not. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.